10 out of 10. Great teamwork. That kid is a fucking idiot.
You tell that guy, you tell him, there's a guy right here at this truck, you start shooting and he just runs in front of you.
Wasn't that gonna be like a perfectly executed kill, and then the guy just blocks all my shots?
Yeah, tell you, he's gonna report you for team killing.
I know, I hit like 4 of my 5 shots on the guy, and then he walks in front of me and blocks them all. What a dumbass.
Perfect. I think it would have been a headshot.
I mean, he would have died and I would have lived, and if that guy didn't jump in front of me. He didn't.
Some BS.
That was some horrible play right there.
I haven't gotten a chicken dinner today, I need one.
Yeah. Kinda mad about that. What if someone like watches all those friendly fire scenarios and like votes on it?
I just got launched and I didn't press
What the hell? I can't even. Yeah, me too.
Well, y'all got launched.
Oh, sick.
This is gonna be a sick game.
Yes. Go across the bridge, dude. Mainland, mainland. This is gonna be so sick. Come in this mainland by the.
We just got wrecked.
I'm gonna go to that orange thing northeast of the bridge at the end.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that. I should do this every time. This is gonna be a quick one.
That's sick. There's gonna be dude, there's gonna be like 20 left at the first white.
Yeah, this is gonna be blood shots everywhere. I'm going to like the grocery store thing up here.
Guys, the Chinese people in our call are like, what the?
I have this on OBS recorded as well. Wow, do heck.
Dango, man. What do heck?
I don't know.
At least I thought I fucked up.
Yeah, it like lagged.
Yeah, this lag is bad. Are you getting rubber band?
Terrible. This guy right up on the hill.
I'm rubber banding everywhere.
Guy on the hill here.
Somebody shooting me.
Oh, I got a guy here.
Ah, little bastard.
Got that one knocked.
I don't see him.
Did you?
You motherfucker.
I didn't KS it. You get it.
I get it.
Yeah, if you knock him and a teammate kills him, you get it. But if someone else kills him, they get it.
Alright. I didn't know that. I stole her hat. Alright, let's go. I kinda wanna go on the bridge and shoot down in the city right here for while people are getting ready.
Shoot his car.
There's a van. There's a guy here. Dude, I don't want to waste my bullets on these plebs. Yeah, let's go loot some more rounds. There's a guy to your north with a gun. Close, like 50 feet.
Yeah, I hit him for.
I got him.
I died.
UMP range, man. I
Fucking
hit him
saved
like
the day,
8
bro.
times, he didn't go down.
I gotta go back and get ammo now. I have 2 bullets.
That guy's still crawling.
Let's head like east. Let's go. I'm gonna go this house to the east and then
What the hell?
Do you want that AK since
yeah, I grabbed it.
You want to go houses to the east? I
just want to get away from the bridge, yeah.
Yeah, I need to get any kind of heals.
Alright. Come on. I'm gonna stay on this side of the road for right now and get this house. It's probably looted. Got another one.
I mean, I have no health to help you.
I killed him already.
First aid. Oh, you're beast.
He was hiding in a shed like a fag. Got him. He had a sickle. He's trying to kill me with a sickle. I like this little multi-drop.
Yeah, it's actually sick. I don't like playing the long game. I'll play the long game if it's later.
Damn, I need ammo.
I need any kind of heals, but there's nothing.
So many people waiting. You should probably just leave. There's a health pack to your southeast on the roof there.
On the roof.
Yeah.
See it.
I got another health pack and pills. If you wanna fully top off your health with pills, I got a Red Bull.
Sure.
Alright. We probably should stay together too.
Alright.
There's a shotty up here on me.
I like the UMP. I just need to get a red dot.
Here, take these pills. I need to get ammo. Level 2 vest, or level 2 backpack on this orange roof.
Got one. I need a vest though.
Med kit? Fuck yeah.
That's close.
Yeah, on the other side of this house. I wanna loot some more.
Yeah.
Winchester. Here's a vest.
I need to find a rifle. I mean, UMP is good for this range, but
You can honestly just wait now until someone's like fully decked out and just kill them.
yeah, take it.
Our dudes are dead? One's disconnected. Okay. The other guy ran away. He's running up the road.
You want to head to that church? I kind of do.
Yeah,
Oh,
let's
wait,
stay
wait.
together because there's so many people. Okay. I'm gonna go on the roof of that church.
Okay, I'm gonna go inside.
Shut the door so it looks like no one's in here.
I got a suppressor too.
What the fuck? I'm like stuck on the door.
Someone's already came in here. This back door's open. This has been looted.
Alright, I'm just trying to get eyes on people up on the roof.
The house has here been looted.
There's a guy 60 on the hill.
I don't have a gun.
He's down. I'm gonna go finish him.
Dude, I love this. It's like the fucking best start ever.
He's
I
dead.
mean, I'm not getting kills, but I hope it glitches like that more often.
I need ammo for any type of 5.56.762 if you have any.
No, I don't.
Guy on the road
Should
right
be
close. He's going northwest. Fuck, I don't have any ammo.
There's a car. I don't know if you hear it.
Yeah, I hear it. I'm jumping the roofs. Down to a pistol. I have like 2 rounds in each of my rifles.
Oh, we need to get the car and piece it. We're far.
I don't think there's gonna be many cars left.
Oh, definitely not. We need to move and try to find one though.
Alright, I'm in the city here looking for a car.
This guy died over here and no one looted him. What?
I killed a couple people on the hill I didn't loot. Oh, that's
Oh,
the guy I
maybe
killed
not.
by you. I
didn't
see
have
guys on the main road way on the other side of town. Oh fuck, is this guy close to me? Oh, he's so kitted, I'm gonna try to pistol him. I might die here.
I think I see a car. I'm not sure, but it's damaged. Fuck.
I just killed some fucking fully kitted guy. Under the bridge. Insta kill.
Nice. I'm running on the road, hoping I find a car.
This guy just killed someone else. So much loot here.
So many people are gonna get cooked by the zone.
I'm in the zone
How
right
about we
now.
even take a boat right now?
You have a car? We're gonna die, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna die. There's nothing on this road this direction so far. I'm looking for a boat. I found a boat. I'm coming to you in a boat. We're gonna go the long way. Can you meet me in the water?
Yeah. I got so much loot.
I don't even know if we'll make it on boat, but we can try.
This guy was fully kitted. We're at the water.
Come here. Just right. Come right.
Hey, I'm coming onto the bridge. You can stop right before the bridge. Dude, this guy had so much loot.
I mean, I doubt we'll make it, but it's our only shot.
I got a med kit and first aids. I'm jumping.
I've never turned on a boat, but you can't go backwards, I guess.
Wait, 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 I'm here.
Let's try to turn it around. You can drive.
We're fine.
Yeah, I have 2 med kits. Should be okay.
Dude.
I can't med kit while driving though, so let's stop.
I have 5 kills already.
I have 0.
I had 15 rounds in a P92, and this guy had like AK mini level 3 helmet and everything, and I destroyed him. I like let him kill some guy, and then I slithered up on him prone in the grass and just lit him up when he was looting.
If we have enough gas, we can hit Puerto. There's no way that place is looted or touched.
Nah, the people probably drove over there already.
You think?
Yeah. The circle's gonna move inland right now in like 3 seconds.
Oh, we're burning through a lot of gas. Hopefully we can make it.
Oh, we can make it. Oh, we gotta go real far now.
Yeah.
There's gonna be another boat probably. Look for a boat.
Or
Oh, I have a gas. I have a gas. It's okay.
Oh, okay. I don't know. I've never put gas in the vehicle. Can you do it inside?
Yeah, you just sit there and do it. We're gonna have to heal soon. Maybe after this bridge or something. Before we get to the next circle, probably. Wanna just do it now for safety? At this bridge, I'll stop.
No, there's unless you think we're getting shot at.
Yeah, I don't want to get shot at. Let's just do it real quick, okay?
Okay, all right.
Just to be safe. This other guy's dying. NCS, take a heal, dude. Heal. He's driving, and he's still not there.
I'll make it, but he might get shot. We're gonna have to. I don't know. I think we have to go to Puerto. I need to move more at least. I
Yeah.
have all attachments for an M4, but no rifle.
Yeah. I got a lot of weird stuff. Nothing really that special.
I have one more med kit.
I have a med kit and 2 first aids, so we're fine.
I've had one more first aid.
I think we should med kit when we get out of this, so we have full health, both of us. Let's scoop this boat here.
Yeah, definitely. These are the pro strats, dude. Everyone took the roads.
Yeah, boats are better. Alright, let's medkit here.
I don't have one. But I have a first aid.
Alright, I only have one, so let's just do that real quick. And I'm gonna just keep driving. I'm gonna hit this gas in here too, so I don't have to stop.
Sure. We should make it
It's
to the
gonna be
light before the
full.
touches us again.
Alright, we're good.
NCS made it, but he's alone. He's probably gonna get cut.
There's only 23 people left.
Yeah, that's crazy. They all died to the zone, dude. Or, I mean, probably half.
I was like, why are just like 10 people driving away? And I figured out now because there was a shortage of cars for all these people. I'd rather risk it and get the loot, you know?
I usually do that, and then I always die. Lately.
I'm on a hot streak right now. I'm like, there's a guy. Oh, he's dead already. Forget it. Is this the city? It looks like up here.
Every game earlier, I was getting like 3 or 4 kills, but these last 2, I haven't gotten any.
I'm gonna beach at the edge of the beach in the mountain. There's probably people here.
Fine.
It's gonna go wide. We have the gas to go wide. There has to be someone in here of the 22 people.
Maybe. They might have went to...
They went to Los Leonos, the big city.
Yeah, I'm sure they are.
Yeah, why don't you just loot this island here and then we'll be safe. The islands are in the circle.
We do have enough gas, yeah.
Yeah, and we just drive off and you'll have the whole island. Oh, there's an airdrop. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Loot-
Is that in the water?
Loot that. There you go, buddy. You have that gun.
Yeah, that'll help. If it's a sniper, I'll give it to you.
Okay. I have a mini. This is definitely not looted. It's still smoking.
I suck at that car. It's not a car, but it's like a car.
Yeah, I suck at that too. It's too delayed. What
It
is
is that weapon, of course.
the M14?
Yeah, and no M24 and a level 3 vest. Not bad.
Alright, I'll give you energy. I have 7 energy drinks when I get back.
So we get to the island, I'm sure.
Alright, I'm gonna park on the other side of the island so that when we're done this island, we just go to the other island real fast if we have time.
Yeah, if we're lucky, it'll spawn on us. That'd be sick.
Yeah, we'll be on the island with all the guns.
Imagine if there's no like boats and shit either. Or if they can't find one in time.
The circle's actually about to shift, so we'll see in a second here. Could come to the island. Here, we'll park right here and then we'll loot here. Oh, don't beach it, don't beach it.
We can grenade it, worst case. Grenade will pop it right out.
Here, you want some of this meds?
Oh yeah.
How many first aids do you have?
0.
Alright, I only had 2, but we're good. Another airdrop. Yo, whoa, look at this. It's on the other island. Let's go get it.
Is it actually on the other island?
Yeah, it's gonna be on the other island. No one's gonna be there. It's close.
Come on, Garoza.
Yeah, it's gonna be sweet.
We're out of the circle, just a heads up.
Might be in the water. Yeah, it's on the island.
Gonna have to get it quick and then peace out to the yellow or the white.
Oh, it's right here on the edge of the water to our right. Like that first tree. It might fall in. Is it gonna fall?
That is, yep.
Yeah, slide.
8x level. You can take the level 3 and the.
Oh, sniper. I'm taking all of it. Let me load this thing.
I took the syringe.
What gun did I lose? Oh, I dropped my AK? Oh no. Alright, I got my AK back.
Yeah, that ghillie's tan, isn't it? It's not green.
Yeah, it's 10.
Yeah, my buddy was telling me
There's
no-
both.
hold on. Stand still real quick.
They're both tan and green. We gotta go. 30 seconds.
Alright, we gotta get in the boat.
I want to go on orange marker and then go on the hill.
Win with the UMP and the sniper.
Here, take my pan, because I don't want to have it, because of the ghillie.
Yeah.
And it looks stupid. They'll see me easier. We're in good shape here for a W. I'm gonna park on orange and I'm gonna go up the mountain to the right. I bet you people are gonna see us coming.
Probably. Well, I gotta put my sniping skills to the test with this gun.
Yeah, I think I used the AWM like twice ever.
That's the best one in the game, I think. Or mine is. I don't know.
Hold on, I'm just putting my AK in auto mode.
I see a guy, 265. Not moving. There's two.
What number?
295. I don't know. We kind of passed it now. They
Alright.
were aiming at us, so it's fine.
Alright, I'm gonna go up on the beach here.
290-ish though, somewhere over there.
Alright. Oh, it's out of gas. Perfect amount of gas. You should go underwater when you swim.
You can't get shot on the top of water.
Yeah, but they won't see you at all underwater.
Oh, I see.
And you could definitely get shot at the top of the water. I've killed people in the water.
You sure?
Yeah, I killed people yesterday on the water. I need to go to the roof, the mountain, so I'm gonna keep going.
I'm getting this level 2 helmet.
I'm going above where I just marked.
I'll go with you. I'll just... Hopefully I can get some kills with the sniper. Car. And they see me for sure.
He's knocked. You knocked one, I think?
Yeah, I did. I knocked by a
dead.
sniper. I think it was someone else. I'm not sure.
On the back
Maybe
bumper.
not.
On the back bumper. Just shoot the car. Oh, you're down? Fuck,
I'm
dude.
knocked, yeah. I don't know if he sniped me or if they did. Yeah, he did.
Crawl.
I can see in third person. You can res me for sure. You got time? Oh. that
How the
was
fuck did you
fast.
die?
I don't know. That was the first time I went down. I died really fast.
How did you, what?
I'm in the white too. He's coming. He's coming.
Hit adrenaline. Where is he?
Right near you. Footsteps, like right next to you.
What?
I heard footsteps right on you. That's weird.
I mine.
If I had any other gun than the UMP, I would have done so much more. Oh well.
I got this dude. 6
I
kills
believe.
so far.
I didn't get credit for that kill. Maybe he jumped out. I hit him.
Fucking
for
shooting
sure,
at me.
but-
I finished him. You should have got credit.
Yeah, I don't know.
He shot at me. I'm gonna keep going. Hide in a bush or something. See two guys.
You got this, bro.
I think that one saw me.
Thank God you didn't get a green ghillie. sure that's 60. Maybe no, maybe more east. Oh. Nice job. You have pretty good aim. His teammate's there. He's coming.
Another one.
If my talking doesn't help, you just tell me.
I don't care.
Another.
Dude, I'm on my shroud shit right now.
Another.
Fucking
You
plebs.
just took out their whole squad.
Yeah, they suck.
What the fuck?
I need ammo.
I would have died there though. I'm fucking awful at this game, man. What the hell? They couldn't see you, dude. You're invisible. Gilly. You actually could win this.
It's got fat loots on that. The adrenaline shot.
Did you get the suppressor on my body?
I already have one. I had one a while ago. Dude, I fucked
I
them
know
up.
you're
They're
there.
so mad right now.
Dude, I would quit the game if my whole squad died to one guy.
Yeah, Gilly with a fucking
And you
AWM on his
knew
back.
where he was. You literally knew who he was too. Like you knew exactly where you were, and they still died.
Yeah, it doesn't even matter. I'm too good.
I don't know. Your aim is not bad though. You're fast with it. I'm a lot slower. Some days you'll watch me play and you'll be like, oh, this guy's good, and then another day you'll be like, oh, this guy's actually awful.
Now I'm in real good. I don't even need to loot anymore. I'm just gonna run.
You're set for the rest of the game, I think, unless you don't have ammo for your M4.
I got 400 or 332.
What's your favorite rifle?
M4, AKM maybe. Like I might go 4 times on my M4 right now. I have the 4 times on the AWM right now.
Wait, I think I heard someone close.
I'm gonna go hide.
There's shot. You saw that? Oh, never mind. That's the zone.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over by that dark grayness over here.
The zone's about to shift. No, go back.
So
Yeah.
perfect actually.
Yeah, you're actually set.
I got 5 people. They could
Put
all.
your back so that your back's on the blue in that corner, all the way over there. I mean, that's my opinion. You do you though.
We're here.
Yeah, perfect.
Squad
You guys still
wipe.
come from your right.
I see him. He sees me.
Yeah, that's why I don't use that, man. My shot would have been worse.
I went and whiffed it.
I don't think there's any weapon drop on that guy from that range.
Oh my god, prone drop. Fuck that guy.
There's other people fighting. Oh, over there, you see them? They're in the middle of the town.
Yeah. I don't see him.
I don't see them anymore.
I feel like this guy's gonna rush me.
Yeah, probably.
There he is, I saw him.
4 left.
It's on the
there's two to
ridge.
your left. There's another one closer though. I didn't see him, but I heard him. Nice hit. Close, he's close. Someone else. He just reloaded near you. There's a guy.
They're fighting each other?
Might want to pill out.
Short here.
3 left.
He's right in front of me.
I didn't see him, but good eye. really good. One left, and he's to your east or northeast. East or northeast, I don't know which. He has to come to you. He's not in the zone, I don't think. Or I guess he could be. He could go into the zone. To your right. I saw him. To your right, crawling. I could be wrong. Yeah.
Got him. 12 kills.